हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि इसी तरह की मजीद आने वाली वीडियोस के हवाले से भी
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ यूट्यूब? Answer is YouTube founder is 3 person Javed Karim, Chen Hurley, Steve Chen in 2005. Question number 2, who is the founder of Facebook? Answer, Facebook founder is 5 person. Number 1 Mark Zuckerberg, number 2 Edgardo Severin, number 3 Dustin Moskowitz, number 4 Cherez Hutz, number 5 Reeve McCollum in 2004. Question number 3, who is the founder of WhatsApp? Answer, WhatsApp founder is the 2 person. Number 1 Jan Koum, number 2 Brian Acton in 2009. Question number 4, who is the founder of IMO, a video calling messenger? Answer is, IMO founder is 2 brothers, Rolf and Georges Herrick in 2007. Question number 5, who is the founder of Instagram? Answer, Instagram founder is 2 person, 1 Kevin Systrom, 2nd Mike Kerger in 2012. Question number 6, who is the founder of Gmail? Answer is, Gmail founder is Paul Buchet in 2004. Question number 7, who is the founder of Twitter? Answer is, Twitter founder is 4 person. Number 1 Jack Dorsey, number 2 Noah Glass, number 3 Biz Stone, number 4 Evan William in 2006. Question number 8, who is the founder of Snapchat? Answer is, Snapchat founder is Evan Thomas Spiegel in 2011. Question number 9, who is the founder of Pinterest? Answer is, Pinterest founder is Ben Silberman in 2010. Question number 10, who is the founder of Tumblr? Answer is Tumblr founder is David Karp in 2007. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.